What's up, guys? I'm back with the second part of the Black Diamond box break. I got all these packs to break, so I'm gonna do it right now. Alright, let's start off. Oh well, I think my parents will be happy with my gifts I got. Mike Ribeiro Double Diamond. That's a single. Can't expect them all to be. I don't think I got a base. Well, got a hit right here. Oh man, Joe Mullen Black Diamond jersey, quad jersey. 3 of them are white swatches and 1 is black. Right there. Yeah. Oh, that's a great flame. Old timer. Yay. Yay. Wish it was Al McKinnon, so we don't have many cards with him that I collect McKinnon. Alright. Alright, these are all. Oh no, not all single. John Sebastian Jaguar. Triple diamond. Oh well. Early morning break. How fun. Oh man, Paul Karius a single diamond. Ooh, nice. I got this Premier Cuts card of the double diamond, I think, of J.S. Jaguar. So 2 shape. Like a number 2 shape card. Oh, that's nice. The rest are single diamonds. I can just tell by the numbering. Ah, these packs are so hard to open. Wait. Okay. Nothing new. No. All single diamonds. Oh, I hate opening these packs. These are so gay. So. Oh man, Marcus Naslund. Black diamond. Double diamond. The Canuck. I'm in a Canucks uniform, but the Rangers card. Doing good. Well, the Rangers than the Canucks. I'm doing better with them. The Rangers than the Canucks. I think I got a whole base set now. I think I'm looking for my autos now. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Oh man. Oh, nice. I got 2 run for the cup cards of number to 100, Marian Gaborik, and Roberto Luongo, and oh man, I got 8 cards in that pack. That's awesome. Oh yeah, the rest are single diamonds. So ooh, nice PC item. Hope you feel better, Luongo. Hope you come back and play, because the Canucks missed you. We're doing so without you. Same with the Wild. Hope they step the game up. They can do better than playing right now. Okay, I got this pack. I got a Kari Lehtinen double diamond. That's nice. Oh man, I keep getting Ryan Malone single diamond. That's like what? Single diamond. That's my 3rd one out of this box, and that's pretty interesting. Pretty weird. Oh, there's something here. Oh, 3. Oh, nice. Peter Forsberg, black diamond jersey. 2. It's him on the Avalanche. It's 2 orange jerseys that swatches and 2 black swatches. So cool. I keep getting Raycott Steeps and Radin Verbata. Oh, that's interesting too. Alright, I'll probably sort out my base cards and do a recap video, just in case I don't miss any double, triple, or quad diamonds. Oh man, not Steven Stamkos, but Vladimir Mihalik. Rookie gem, triple diamond. Still haven't got my quad diamond rookie. Let's see. Okay, that's cool. Okay, last 2 packs. I don't think I get any autos anymore. Don't think I'll get an auto anymore. Oh man, Patrice Bergeron is that. Oh nice. Oh, it's another Marian Hossa card. It's a number 1. It's this black diamond, Premier Cut single diamond. That's cool. And last pack, hopefully something good. Don't think I got my rookie quad rookie. Derek Roy double diamond. Nope, that's it. Well, okay, that's it. Alright, Alright, now just flip through my base cards. See if I didn't. See if I. Okay, I didn't really miss. I think I got a whole base set plus some duplicates. Well, I don't remember if I got my quad. I don't remember if I got my quad jersey. I don't think I got a quad rookie gem or an autograph or like gemography autograph. Oh no, that's it. Okay, didn't overlook any double, triple, or quad diamonds, but I got all these base cards. I think that pretty much makes up a base set. Alright, let's recap this video. Double diamond, 3 diamond. Okay, that's cool. Run for the cup, that's nice. Naslin, boo-hoo. Oh no, sorry, this is a base card. So this one, sorry, I got it mixed up. Wolski and Korea. I can't believe Korea's single diamond this year. That sucks. Ha ha ha. Halak, Elias, BX, oh yeah, Rivero double diamond, Heatley triple, Pickman jersey, and then, oh no, this is the quad diamond, it's Patrick Berglund. I think that's worth quite a bit of money. Okay, let's recap. Got 6 double. I got 6. I got 6. No. I got 6 double diamonds. Only 3 triple diamonds to do it. Oh wait, I got 3 rookie gems triples. And rookie gem triple, I know that. Alright, so recap, I got double diamonds, I got Zach Parise, Brad Richards, Mike Rivero, Marcus Naslin, Kari Lettinen, and Derek Roy from Ottawa, Ontario. I kept this interesting. Alright, for triple diamonds, just Marian Hossa, Danny Heatley, and J.S. Zaguerre. So those are my triple diamonds, normal ones. For my triple rookie gems, I got Lucas Spiza, Nikolai Kulemin, and Vladimir Mihalik. Alright, for my quad diamonds, I got this Evgeny Malkin, that's nice, and my quad rookie gems was Patrick Berglund. Oh well, someone's talking to me now. Oh well, I got Marian Hossa, Premier Cuts, J.S. Zaguerre, Premier Cuts, number 2. This is single diamond, this is quad diamond. I'm running out of time. I got Luongo and Gaborik, run for the cup cards, number to 100. Cool. And my 3 quad diamond jerseys are Peter Forsberg, Joe Mullen, and Yoni Pickett, number to 100. So that's my video, and bye bye. I'm out of time.